Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable location services on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So do a swipe up, go to settings, then scroll down to where you find location. You want to tap on that, and here you'll see at the top if you have location turned on. As you can see, mine is on. It is showing in the color blue and toggle to the right, or if you toggle it to the left, it will be disabled. And as you can see, it says no location access. So if you want, you can go ahead and close it, or you can simply toggle it on if you so desire. Now you can see the recent applications at the bottom there that are currently using your location, and this is very helpful because if you want to use like your GPS, or you want to use any application that will allow you to utilize your location, then turning on the location will definitely allow you to use these apps. You can also click on location services, so you can tap on that and you can see various applications or services that are using your location as well. You can also see your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning is on there. You can turn on and off those as well. If you go back, you can also click on app permissions. You can give apps permission to use your location as well. So if you scroll down, you can see all of those applications that are currently using your location, and you can also see the ones that are not allowed. So at the top here, you see the ones that are allowed, and you also can see the ones that are not allowed. So you can see those ones here, and if you want, you can also enable those ones if you want to give them permission as well. So let's say I would like to give Facebook my location. I can tap on Facebook and I can give it permission here by simple clicking on it and give Facebook the permission to use my location. So this is how I can go ahead and add them. But you have all the applications in your phone, guys, that you can go through and give them permission or don't give them permission to use your location. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.